Hey you guys, how y'all doing today? I hope all is well. We are going to be doing part 2 of the master bedroom clean. The part 1 was me cleaning out my closet, and if you want to watch that, go ahead and click over here to that video right there. And so yeah, we're going to go ahead and show y'all the overview of how the room is looking. I'm going to try to hit some hot spots, which is where the electronics are, and at the top of the bed, well, headboard. And so I really hope that y'all enjoy this content of this video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscription box down below. Go ahead and click that thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment and share. Comment please, because I do like to speak with y'all in the comment, and I like learning about y'all. And so bi-monthly, I know that sounds crazy, but like every other Sunday, I go through all my comments and just check on y'all, see how y'all doing, and you know, trying to connect with y'all, okay? Because it's just easier for me that way, okay? So yeah, so we can go ahead and get on with this. So go ahead, roll over to the intro.
I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe.
All right, so let me go ahead and show y'all what we got going on here. We have a dog. So this is Topaz's bed. Just in case y'all wonder what this is, it's her bed. I'm going to vacuum my side up. We're not messing with any of this stuff. That's a deep clean. We're not doing any deep clean. We're just doing basic pickup and getting it freshened up. Clothes I need to be put away of Douglas's, because mine are all thrown away. Clothes I need to get thrown out into Goodwill. That's what that is. Dirty clothes is right here. So as I'm finding dirty clothes, I'm going to put it back in there. There's Topaz the dog. Topaz, say hi. Say hi, girl. That's her tail saying hi. And then putting trash in there. I'm going to go over this area here, just to make sure that we got all the dirty stuff up and dust it off. So I'm going to pull everything off, put everything back. And then I'm going to hit up this headboard over here. I'm going to turn the lights on in a minute. And then get all the trash. The girls' Easter basket bag is here. I don't know why. We're not getting to the bathroom. Not this time around. Alright. So yeah. Bathroom, no. But I will be using the light from the bathroom. That I will be doing. So we're going to start with the tripod over there. And yeah, let's get this crack-a-lackin'.
Yeah. Amaru. I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine. Why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough? Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back.
Alright, let me go ahead and properly introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. On this channel, you'll get cleaning motivation. You get real live cleaning motivation, clean with means, and you'll get DIYs, grocery hauls, anything, vlogs, anything that a family does. We're going to go ahead and try to share that with y'all. If you can, please go ahead and click the subscription box down below. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you like this video. Please make sure you put something in the comments. I like to speak with y'all. And don't forget to share this content with any friends or frenemies. I won't be back until the end of the video, so continue to watch the motivation and make sure you put this on any device, on your phone, your tablet, on your TV. And yeah, stay tuned to the end to see what we do.
I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't dare wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah. Oh, my baby goes lovey-dovey. Yeah. Oh, my baby goes lovey-dovey. lovey-dovey when I'm around you. Every time yeah, when I'm around you, girl. Make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me, make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me, make you go lovey-dovey. I can never get enough of it.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up. Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize
tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them, but he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear. You were just lost, you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. He said he thought it would be nice if we went for a ride in his dad's Jaguar. Swept up in the moment, sitting in his car. But you know he won't take you far. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear. You were just lost, you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. Real life, talking about that real life, holding on cause it just feels nice. But let's get back to real life. Real life, talking about that real life, holding on cause it just feels nice. But let's get back to real life. Talking about that real life, holding on cause it just feels nice. But let's get back to real life. You are the only one, only one, only one, only one. You are the only one, only one. Only one, 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 only one. You are the only one, only one, only one, only one, only one, only one.
As always, we are the family that loves life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank you for spending your precious time with us, and that we will see you on the tube. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like and share this video. Love you guys.